Welcome to Seventh Heaven here in Al Barari, and I'm checking out the facilities if you wanted to purchase one of these 1, 2 or 3 4-bedroom apartments. But look at this beautiful swimming pool here. The gym is just inside. Seventh Heaven is here above, and what I love about these apartments is they're so modern, very interior design, like minimalist, and prices here you will see below in the description of this video. Like this video, subscribe. But I'm just going to turn around a bit of a look at the surroundings of Seventh Heaven. So here you have it, and you've also got an alcohol bar here for those of you that wanted to hang out at your pool. The gym is through here. This is Seventh Heaven, okay, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And if you are on the higher floors, you'll actually get a view out on Burj Khalifa here. So this is your pool facilities and gym facilities here at Seventh Heaven in Al Barari. So like this video if it has been of use to you, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any future property videos.